Hello, we are a team of 5 members, all from Germany and classmates. My name is Juliska.
Hey, my name is Benjamin.
I'm Hagen.
Hello, my name is Elias.
Hello, I'm Jan.
And this is our game. We decided to focus on the SDGs 12, 11, and 6. Radioactive. It's a game of a labyrinth of past mistakes and radioactive secrets that lie beyond the surface, where players have to revoke unsustainable consumption of past generations and find the way to a new beginning. We do want our players to feel the pressure of the issue, but awaken curiosity and awareness through a suspenseful game. Nevertheless, entertainment is one of our main goals. How does our game align with the challenge, collaboration? We chose a topic which is very well known in our community. Being inspired by locals' ideas, we included a reality-based world. Action. We decided to include an NPC for educational purpose. This way, we guarantee an impact. Play. Our game is set in the labyrinth of an old mineshaft. This way, the game consists of interactive tasks and an adventurous game world exploration. We decided on this topic because it's one that our local community ignored for a long time, having dumped radioactive waste into a mineshaft that was not suited for its purpose. As a result, our generation now faces the consequences. Radioactive is a gameplay-driven game. To win the game, you have to destroy all barrels that are hidden in the mineshaft. Since our game is also supposed to highlight the dangers of a workspace in terms of responsible production, we decided to include surprises for the player. That means the player is going to be surprised with collapsing walls, mutated opponents, and hidden tasks to reach the goal. This game might be reality-based, but to make it more fun and adventurous, we exaggerated some mutations, but also the consequences of the mineshaft being flooded. To make the game more accessible for even players who don't have that much experience with games, we decided to include an interaction with an NPC. That way the game is explained and everyone can understand. During your exploration progress through the world, you might encounter shortcuts. This makes our game unique every time you play it. In the future, our game might feature more threats of the old mines, or we could also discuss other problems such as microplastic in mountains of garbage. The message our game conveys is that generations really have a great impact on each other, in positive and negative. Harmful production can cause for future generations to suffer the consequences. Thank you and enjoy the game!